Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best umbrella cape is probably one of the most innovative and practical solutions for staying dry in unpredictable weather, seamlessly blending the functionality of a traditional umbrella with the convenience of a wearable garment, ensuring you're always protected from the rain without the hassle of carrying or fumbling with a separate umbrella, making it an indispensable accessory for commuters, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone who values staying comfortable and stylish, even during downpours. Number 5. Umbrella Hat, Adult and Kids Folding Cap. Introducing the innovative umbrella hat, designed for both adults and kids. Enjoy ultimate convenience with this hands-free sun protection solution. Whether you're heading to the beach, fishing, golfing, or attending a party, this hat is your ideal companion. It keeps you shaded and comfortable wherever you go. Its clever folding design makes it incredibly easy to carry and store. Take it with you anywhere without any hassle. Crafted from quality materials, it's built to last while remaining lightweight for comfortable wear. You'll barely notice you're wearing it. Available for both adults and children, it offers reliable shade for the whole family. Stay protected from the sun in style. This versatile headwear is perfect for a variety of outdoor events and activities. It's the ultimate accessory for sunny days. What we like? This offers a convenient folding design for easy portability. If you need a simple, adaptable solution for various outdoor events and personal use, this is a great choice. It's perfect for anyone who enjoys casual outdoor activities and wants basic protection. What people say. The umbrella cape is very convenient to use, especially when you need to keep your hands free. It provides excellent protection from the rain, keeping you completely dry. The design is lightweight and easy to carry, making it ideal for travel. Number 4. Lictin Hair Cutting Cape Umbrella. Tired of messy haircuts at home? Introducing the Lictin Hair Cutting Cape Umbrella, designed for a clean and convenient experience. This innovative cape acts like an umbrella, catching all the fallen hair. Say goodbye to vacuuming up stray strands after every trim. Perfect for adults, it provides ample coverage to keep your clothes and surroundings spotless. Enjoy a salon-like experience in the comfort of your home. We've also included a comb to help you style and manage your hair during the cut. Get everything you need for a perfect haircut in one package. Simply drape it around your neck, and it's ready to go. When you're done, it folds away easily for convenient storage. The unique umbrella design makes cleanup a breeze. Just gather the hair from the cape and dispose of it. It's that simple. What we like? This is specifically designed for haircuts, even including a comb. If you're looking for a mess-free solution for home haircuts or salon use, this is ideal. It's perfect for individuals who want to keep their clothes clean during hair trimming. What people say. The umbrella cape is a great invention for keeping your hands free while protecting you from the rain. It's lightweight and easy to fold, making it convenient to carry around. The wide brim provides excellent coverage, ensuring you stay dry even in heavy downpours. Number 3. Lictin Kids Haircut Cape Umbrella. Tired of cleaning up stray hairs after haircuts? Introducing a fun and practical solution for your little ones. This innovative cape acts like an umbrella, catching all the fallen hair. It makes haircuts a breeze for both kids and parents. Made with waterproof material, it's simple to wipe clean after each use. No more worrying about spills or messes. The adjustable design ensures a comfortable fit for children of all sizes. It stays securely in place during the entire haircut. We've even included a black comb to help with styling. Everything you need for a perfect haircut is right here. Make haircut time enjoyable and stress-free. This is the perfect tool for a tidy and pleasant experience. What we like? This option is tailored for children with its adjustable fit and waterproof material. If you need a practical solution for kids' haircuts at home, this is a fantastic choice. It ensures a comfortable and clean experience for your little ones during styling. What people say. The umbrella cape is very convenient for hands-free use during rain. It effectively keeps you dry from head to toe, providing full coverage. The cape is lightweight and folds up compactly for easy storage and portability. Number 2. Guyuyii 4-pack adjustable headband umbrella hats. Enjoy your outdoor activities in any weather with this innovative hat. It offers protection from both the sun's harmful rays and unexpected rain showers, keeping you comfortable wherever you go. Designed with a high-strength elastic band, it ensures a snug and comfortable fit for everyone, from kids to adults. It's perfect for all your favorite outdoor pastimes. This hat is incredibly lightweight and easily foldable, making it simple to store and carry. It's your ideal companion for holidays and spontaneous outdoor adventures. Crafted from durable, UV-blocking fabric, it provides excellent sun safety. Reduce heat exposure and stay protected during all your outdoor pursuits. With its bright colors and practical hands-free design, this makes a fantastic gift. It's perfect for anyone who loves spending time outdoors, from festival goers to adventurous families. What we like. This provides hands-free protection from both sun and rain with its unique design. If you enjoy outdoor activities like gardening or fishing and want to stay protected without holding anything, this is perfect for you. It's great for anyone who needs to keep their hands free while enjoying the outdoors. What people say. The umbrella cape is designed to keep you dry from head to toe, providing full coverage. It features a lightweight and portable design, making it easy to carry around. The cape is made from durable, waterproof material that can withstand rain and wind. Number 1. Kids Haircut Cape Waterproof Umbrella Barber Cape. Tired of hair getting everywhere during haircuts? Introducing our innovative cape designed to make grooming a breeze for your little ones. This cape is made with waterproof material, ensuring no mess reaches their clothes. Cleanup is a snap, just wipe it down. Its unique umbrella-like design effectively catches all the cut hair. Say goodbye to stray strands on the floor and in their clothes. When not in use, it folds up compactly for easy storage and portability. Perfect for home or salon use. Designed with children in mind, it provides a comfortable and stress-free experience for both kids and parents. Make haircuts a pleasant experience for everyone. This cape is an essential tool for any parent or stylist. What we like. This cape is designed to catch hair effectively, keeping your space clean during haircuts. If you're a barber or someone who cuts hair frequently at home, this is a must-have. Its foldable nature also makes it easy to store and transport. What people say. The umbrella cape is designed to keep you dry from head to toe, offering full coverage. It features a unique design that allows for hands-free operation, making it convenient for various activities. The cape is made from waterproof material, ensuring effective protection against rain. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.